It's time for a little update on the spare change 350. I know it's been a long time since I've done a video, and this is part of why. This was the camshaft I was planning on using for it. I got this on a trade deal, and actually these aren't the cam specs to go with this cam. I think this is for a thumper cam or something like that. The cam that's in here is actually a different cam. It was in the engine, and they took it out and put that thumper cam in. And he said this ran better, but he didn't know that till after he put it in. So anyhow, here's the concern with this. I noticed when I got this out, I start thinking about what to do with that engine. You can see on these lobes, see it right there a little bit. You can definitely see it on this lobe. That looks kind of chewed up. I knew the cam had been run, but I didn't know about this. And several of the lobes have a little bit of that going on. You can see it on this one. You can see it on this one. I don't know, maybe that's normal. I looked at a different cam that I have that's never been run, and it doesn't have that. This one's pretty bad, or maybe bad, maybe not. I don't know. But anyways, I had bought a new set of hydraulic flat tappet lifters to put with this cam and put in that spare change 350. But I don't know if I should do that now. This might just destroy the new set of lifters. Out here, I think the cam number was on the end. I can't remember which number it was I was looking at. This is Z037. I don't know if the camera will get that. Anyhow, I think this is a Comp Extreme Energy XE268 for small block Chevy, which would work great. Be a lot of fun in there. I don't know. Leave comments if you got them about the way those lobes look. I don't think that's good. So anyway, we'll update you with what I plan to do. Thanks.